It's been a while since we've been in the Building Technology Center. I think the last time we did a tour, there wasn't any equipment in it. We were putting on the finishing touches. So I'm excited to show you what is one of the premier HVAC electrical facilities, labs in the facilities, period, in the country. So prepare to be impressed. So we're going to take a walk through. We have, I don't know how many square foot this thing turned out being. I think it's something like 45,000 square foot, all high bay space. And you can see we're in the HVAC area where they're teaching basic refrigeration principles. And then you can see we have a lot of residential units. We have geothermal. We have traditional. And then as we go further over, you'll see some commercial. We have some rooftop units over there. But what's really impressive about this is we can take equipment and we can hook it up anywhere. So the modular design of this entire facility is what is really cool. And as we look around at the different labs today, we're going to see this thing anywhere. So 20 years from now, we could come in here and put a different lab in because it's got all the power, it's got air, it's got water, it's got ventilation system that everything can connect to. So we really designed it for the students. So we can do all sorts of different things in this lab as equipment evolves. All right, we're outside of the one thing that still isn't done. Turns out this is something that I don't know if there's going to be another one quite like it, where we can create indoor or outdoor conditions both downstairs and upstairs. It's something different than anywhere else in the country. So anytime you're doing something new and different, it takes a little longer to figure out. But we're going to get there, and it's going to be really, really cool. We'll have big refrigeration unit up there. We'll have furnaces down here. We'll have chillers up above. It's going to be impressive. And we'll be able to, again, create cold temperatures or warm temperatures on either floor because, as I said before, when you go work on HVAC equipment, it's never 72 degrees. It's either 32 degrees or 0 or 105 degrees. So we're going to be able to simulate that in a lab setting here. All right, so we looked at the HVAC side of the building. This building actually has 3 programs in it. It has our HVAC program in it. It has our facility operations and management, which will use the electrical side, it'll use HVAC, it uses safety village, any building system that you might have. Students are going to get hands-on exposure to that. And then also electrical, which is where we're going to go now. Let's go take a look at our electrical lab. All right, so here we have it. Here we have our electrical lab area. It's just one big lab area. It's not divided up into different labs. You can see they can do big conduit bending. This is kind of their conduit bending space. We're not quite there yet. We don't have the tool room quite set up. We're just starting to get things set up, but you can start to see, well, you can see the electrical trainers where they come in. These were all wired up actually earlier in the week and they've ripped everything out, but they can come in, they can do commercial wiring, they can do residential wiring a little bit, but most of the residential wiring we actually handle down in Safety Village where we have 6 actual homes where students can go in and wire actual homes. So this is mostly commercial focus. So you can see, I don't know how many of these things we have, but this is a really, really, really nice facility. You can see just trainer area after training area after training area. So we have one of the biggest electrical programs, at least in the Midwest. We bring in upwards of 100 students into this program every year, which is why employers love this program. They can come here and we have a lot of students. Same way with HVAC. We have one of the bigger HVAC programs in the Midwest, which is why employers love to come to us because they can actually get students. You go to a lot of places, they may have HVAC or electrical program, but there are no students, so employers don't go there. We have a lot of employers recruiting from these programs along with our facility program. And then over here we have some of our motor controls. Electrical isn't all just pulling wire, wiring buildings. You also get into a lot of controls. And so our students are exposed to motor controls as well. You see start stop buttons, you see contactors, and then connected to actual motors. So students get a fairly broad exposure there, and they're ready to go to work when they graduate from this program, along with our facility program. And our HVAC program, it doesn't get any better than this when it comes to hands-on education.